You spent hours vibe coding an app in Lovable or Bolt.new and got stuck. You keep seeing error messages, and every time you try to run it, no matter what you do, nothing works. In today's video, I'm going to give you 5 strategies to fix that right away. My name is Chase, and I'm a machine learning engineer and full stack developer. I recently vibe coded an app so I could better understand the struggles that my clients deal with. So I came up with 5 easy strategies to turn messy, vibe coded projects into full apps that you're proud to show off. Number 1, focus on one thing at a time. If you ask an LLM to do multiple things at once, you'll end up with a complete mess. This is because everything in an LLM's input impacts the output, and you don't know how. An LLM doesn't follow instructions in order, so if you give it a step-by-step plan, it is not guaranteed to follow through. So ask the LLM to code one section or one feature at a time. Make sure it works, test it, and then move on. This will save you tokens and time. Number 2, clean up the code. When your project gets bigger than an LLM can understand, it will rewrite code that already works, or it will completely forget about requirements you told it to do. This will make your project spiral out of control with useless code that is not being used all over the place. Your token usage will go through the roof, and you'll get nowhere super fast. To fix this, tell the AI to break your project into actionable pieces that each have one purpose, and to delete any unused code. This will make your large projects more manageable and allow you to easily figure out where errors are coming from. Number 3, follow software development best practices. Even though you're vibe coding, tell the LLM to use meaningful names for methods and variables and to use helper functions when needed. Simply saying, follow the best practices for whatever programming language you're using works half the time. Number 4, use version history. Most AI tools allow you to roll back your project to previous checkpoints, but they don't allow you to see exactly what changed. So if you make a lot of changes and one thing breaks, you have to go back to the previous version of the entire project, which can completely derail your project's progress. So you can't undo one change to one file. However, if you use Git for version control, you can see exactly what lines changed. You can copy and paste previous versions of the files and see the full history. Most AI tools allow you to integrate with GitHub in just one click. Number 5, get a different perspective. All LLMs aren't trained on the same data. They all have different skills and approaches to the same problem. So copy the full error message and tell another LLM, I'm building this framework project on this platform, but keep on getting this error message. What are all the possible causes and steps I can take to solve them? So there you go. Those are the 5 strategies to get your vibe coding project back on track as fast as possible. Here's a quick recap. Focus on one thing at a time, clean up your code from big, messy files into modular building blocks like Legos. Number 3, follow best practices for software development. Number 4, use Git for version control so you can quickly identify what worked in the past and go back to it. Number 5, ask another LLM. Let me know how the strategies work for you in the comments below. The next video I'm posting about is how to make your vibe-coded site look professional. So stay tuned for that, and I'll link it here once it's published. If you're non-technical and want me to build your app for you or finish it, then feel free to check out my website, etherealabs.co/finishmyproject. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and be sure to check out the next video.